Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So last week I spent far too many hours repairing and rebuilding this. And last night I took it out for a good run and launched it off some Nitro Circus launch ramps. So here's the video of that. So the big question is, did it come back with any damage? And I can report happily that no, it didn't. The only issues were the rear wing mount is a bit loose, so I'll tighten that up. And the 3S LiPo pack I used managed to spit a wire off, which is my own fault for poor soldering. But the truck itself did really well. The only issue I had is the steering was really slow, so I'm just going to tighten up the steering. Now I thought, bear in mind, this has been run on a 3S LiPo. This was bloody rapid. It was really bloody quick, actually. I was really impressed. Now I can't wait in the future to run this thing on a 4S LiPo because it's going to be insane. Anyway, so I did one pack with this and it survived and I was really pleased. And then I thought to myself, do you know what I'm going to do while I'm out here today? I'm going to get another RC car out, which is, hang on, this Maverick Quantum Flux Plus XT, which as you can see, the body shell's a bit knackered on. Now, I took some footage of this. I'll show you the footage now. The footage is terrible. And yeah, I broke it within about 3 minutes. This, the typical gearbox mount. These just go. It's making a lion out of me now. These break so easily. It's unreal. So I'll order a fresh one of these before I get this out again in a few weeks' time, probably. But this, the HPI, has done really, really well. Oh! Oh! Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Gonna make a little video. Gonna make a little video. Make a little video on YouTube. Make a little video on YouTube. Make a little video on YouTube.